Mehul here back again with another new video. And to be honest, I am not a kind of guy who likes to read a lot of things. Like I don't like reading. Instead, if you can give me a YouTube video or maybe some kind of audio visual thing to learn something, I will learn it better. So I am not a like learner from reading, and I don't like to read. I don't like to even read books as well. So yeah, I am not a reader. But so here is the thing. So today I have found something that will help you to summarize the most valuable books within 3 minutes. Like it will detect, like it have actually all of the key points that is explained all over the book. Again, I am saying video. Why? Because I am obsessed with video. So explain all of the key points that is uh, available all over the books, and will show you that in a proper manner, like a proper cool manner. So let us visit the site today. Okay. So here is book stash, and this is actually from deep stash. Now if you know about deep stash, like if you have ever used a deep stash app, you know what they does. Like that is some kind of similar, some kind of different, I don't know. Like the app in UI is so much great looking, but the navigation is bit confused. That's why I haven't used that for longer uses. Like this is deep stash, you can sign in and get started here also. But whatever, I haven't used it. Like I didn't like their app navigation, so I didn't use it. Whatever, that is not our point today. And here you can see some of the great titles. Okay, Code of Extraordinary Mind, Black Swan, Highly Effective People, Atomic Habits, that's also a great book. Then Limitless, Leaders Eat Last. Then there is Rich Dad Poor Dad also, like all time bestseller, personal finance guide. Yeah, personal finance guide, all time favorite, everyone's all time favorite. Then digital minimalism, there are too many. Even Hooked is also there. Then like you can see all of the big names are here. Then Alchemist also, like really great, right? And I am actually searching for a book that is, wait, let me show you. I i am too much confident that I will find, yeah, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. So if I click on it, you can see here is a obviously the Almanac of Naval Ravikant, and who have like downsized or summarized all of it. And there are 15 key ideas, so let's just read the ideas, right? If I click on it, so it will show me it like this. First of all, specific knowledge cannot be taught, blah blah blah. Here is a first summary. Okay. And as you can see here, is a counter going on. Have you, like, I don't know if it's visible on the screen or not, the like for the resolution of the screen, but a slide was going on. Okay, so that was basically the time limit. Whatever, you can take your whole time to read it, and you can save it as well. Okay, then let's go to the next topic, that is jobs of the future and infinite learning. So if I click on it, it will, like, it is also showing me, and I can save it as well. Okay, so it works like this. And as they have said it already here, they it have 15 reads, 1 by 15 reads. Okay, let's go back to other books, and let's click on maybe Black Swan. Okay, so it have 8 key ideas. Then same thing, but all in all, it's a really good interface. The interaction design is really good. And about the design, like, they always make great designs, but sometimes they make navigation a little difficult. So that's the thing, but here everything is everything is like easy enough, so you can obviously use them. And that's it for this video, guys. Nothing else. Do check it out. I will be using it for to gain more and more knowledge, because yeah, we have to actually read a lot to gain more knowledge, but I'm not kind of a person who like reading. That's the problem. Whatever, visit it. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great sites like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.